Hi, this is Mardy once again and welcome to my channel. Hello mga ka-istorya! Welcome back to At Home with Mardy. This January, we're starting a very special series, one that shines a light on incredible women whose stories go far beyond the red carpet and headlines. These are women who inspire, who take risks, who face challenges head-on, and show us the true strength and authenticity often live behind the scenes. Today, we're celebrating one of the Philippines' brightest stars, not just for her talent on screen, but for her heart, her courage, and the impact she continues to make. Let's dive into the story of Angel Locsin. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. At para updated kayo sa mga susunod kong videos, please click the bell notification below. At sana po, don't skip the ads and please watch until the end of my video. She's more than just a screen superstar. She's a fearless Darna, a humanitarian, and a woman whose journey has inspired millions. From breaking into showbiz to winning hearts with her unforgettable roles, Angel's story is full of moments that show courage, talent, and heart. So stick around as we reveal 7 amazing facts about Angel Locsin. Facts that will surprise you, inspire you, and maybe even make you love her more. Number 1. Full name and birthday. Angel Locsin na kilala sa buong mundo dahil sa kanyang powerful performances ay ipinanganak bilang Angelica Locsin Colmenares noong April 23, 1985 sa tahimik na bayan ng Santa Maria, Bulacan sa Pilipinas. Bago pa man siya sumikat sa TV at maglakad sa red carpet, nagsimula ang kanyang journey sa simpleng hometown na ito na humubog sa kanya para maging isang strong at compassionate na babae. Number 2. Breakthrough Rules. Ang pag-akyat ni Angel sa stardom ay tunay na nagsimula sa fantasy TV series na Mulawi noong 2004, kung saan ang kanyang talent at presence sa screen ay talaga namang humatak ng puso ng marami. Pero ang talagang nagpatatag sa kanyang status bilang icon ay ang kanyang portrayal bilang Darna, ang sariling versyon ng Philippines ng Wonder Woman. Nagdala sa kanya ng widespread popularity at critical praise. Mula noon, si Angel Locsin ay hindi na lang isang rising star. Naging simbolo siya ng strength at inspiration para sa fans sa buong bansa. Number 3. International Recognition. Angel Locsin's talent didn't just capture hearts in the Philippines. It also caught the attention of the world. In 2008, her riveting performance in the supernatural series Lobo earned her a nomination for Best Actress at the International Emmy Awards, a rare and remarkable achievement for a Filipino performer. This recognition proved that her skill and charisma could shine on a global stage, elevating her status from national star to international talent. Number 4. Award-winning actress. Ang dedikasyon ni Angel Locsin sa kanyang craft ay nagdala sa kanya ng maraming top acting awards sa Pilipinas. Mula sa Star Awards at FAMAS hanggang sa Luna at Box Office Entertainment Awards. Ang kanyang memorable performances sa mga films at dramas tulad ng One More Try, In the Name of Love, and the general's daughter ay patuloy na nagpakita ng kanyang versatility at emotional depth na pinapakita kung bakit siya itinuturing na isa sa mga finest actresses ng bansa. Number 5, humanitarian and advocacy work. Ang impluwensya ni Angel Locsin ay hindi lang natatapos sa harap ng kamera. Kilala rin siya sa kanyang humanitarian work at advocacy. Mula sa pangunguna sa disaster relief efforts, paglikom ng pondo para sa mga ospital at medical needs, hanggang sa pagsuporta sa edukasyon at pagtataguyod ng women's rights, her selfless dedication earned her international recognition, with Forbes Asia naming her one of the Asia's heroes of philanthropy, a true testament to how she uses her fame to make a real difference in the lives of others. Number 6, Angel Locsin's magazine and public recognition. Ang star power ni Angel Locsin ay hindi lang umabot sa telebisyon at pelikula. 2 beses siyang kinurunahang World's Sexiest Woman ng FHM Philippines, una noong 2005 at muli noong 2010. Sa kanyang status, hindi lang bilang isang talented actress, kundi bilang isang timeless icon ng beauty, confidence, at impluwensya sa Philippine pop culture. And number 7, Angel Locsin's hiatus and personal life. In recent years, Angel Locsin chose to step away from the spotlight, taking a hiatus from showbiz around 2022 to focus on her health and personal life. During this quieter chapter, she continued to devote her time and energy to advocacy and humanitarian work, staying true to her passion for helping others. Siya ay kasal sa film producer na si Neil R.C., na kanyang pinakasalan sa isang civil wedding noong 2021 na nagmarka ng isang meaningful na bagong chapter sa kanyang buhay. Malayo sa kamera at mas nakatuon sa personal na kaligayahan. And there you have it, mga kaistorya. 7 real facts that remind us why Angel Locsin is more than just a beloved actress. She's a woman of courage, compassion, and conviction, someone who used her fame not only to shine on screen, but to stand up, speak out, and serve others when it mattered most. Angel's story proves that true greatness isn't measured by awards or applause, but by the lives you touch and the values you stand for. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these facts inspired you the most and why? Share your thoughts in the comments, hit like if you enjoyed this story, and don't forget to subscribe to At Home with Mardy for more real stories about remarkable women. Until next time, mga kaistorya, stay inspired and keep the conversation going. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next story. Daghang salamat! Before we wrap up today's vlog, I want to leave you with an inspiring thought. The best and the most beautiful things in the world cannot be seen or even touched. They must be felt with the heart. By Helen Keller. The most important things in life are invisible. Love, kindness, faith, hope, compassion, and peace can't be seen or held, yet they give life its deepest meaning. It teaches us that true beauty isn't found in appearances or possessions, but in emotions and values we feel within, how we care for others, how we connect, and how we choose to live with empathy. In short, The heart understands what the eyes cannot.